I don't know. Can I see myself in the mirror? Yeah. This mirror, let's see here. In the house. And see myself here. It's hot. I tested. You see, my hair is like really not doing good. But I'm thinking I'm gonna have to cut it really short in order to start over because it's so damaged. Oh, I forgot this don't have a pocket. These shorts I have on now don't have pockets. But I have allowed it. Oh, look at the house behind me. Oh. But let's see, where's that part? This light is not very good. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this lighting is awful. Let's see. Let's see. There's a piece under here. Let's see if I can find that piece of hair. There it is. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, how that's broken off. Real short, right there. Compared to, I can't see my lighting at all. Compared to, you know, the hair that's past the breast, right? Okay, well, and I think I'm getting more, it's sweating in here. The air hasn't kicked up enough yet in the AC. I'm getting more, I believe, skin tags, like I said earlier. Moles, warts, whatever. They got all kind of names. They have pleasant names and unpleasant names. Okay, enough of that. Let's see. The old clock on the wall is saying almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, Blue and I will soon be going out to, I love that. Isn't that cool? I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but if I could zoom in close enough to actually see what it says. I gotta find the, oh, I think Diego said he left a tripod. The invitation. I can't seem to keep it still enough. Oh well. I think he left a tripod in Stephanie's car. I haven't seen the tripod since it was repaired, replaced. These are just old pictures that I have. That's an old print. I don't know if you can see that. Well, before I sell this house, let's see, there's another print somewhere. Where is it? Is that the one, the horse? I think. Oh well. Before I sell the house. Oh, the blinds. My beautiful teddy bear. Mink. Artificial mink. Mink. That's my teddy bear. Okay, we'll come back later.